gonna get a custom steering wheel también. Yeah. Or a Contera, I don't know, one of them.
I'm tired now. What the fuck?
Imagínate.
I don't know how you gonna do it. You gonna say 2 hours?
Yeah, nigga, me acuerdo ahí un ratico. Put this shit down a little bit. Forgot the fucking copyright shit. No, I'm saying the music. Put it down a little bit because when I put it on YouTube, YouTube do not let me copyrighting my shit. They be muting it if like you play too much music that is not yours. They'll like mute your whole video. Or they'll like take it down and won't even let you post it. They be mad strict with that, with music. Yeah.
Oh, that's why I think como parte de la música.
Yeah, you can put little clips, but you can't put songs. Like once they pick up like the artist or the song, you know, they give you a strap, like a yellow mark. And so let's say if you make money from a video, the person or the music artist is gonna make the money, not even you, just because you use their music.
That's the.
Yeah, so that's like most of the times I don't even play music. I just be.
Cuando se hacer those reaction music videos.
Yeah, they do you see how they be cutting it though? Some of them be putting the whole thing, so but they won't make money like that. There's a nigga right behind us too. I think it was the blue car que estaba là. Yeah, it's like I don't know what car that shit is. Oh yeah, what a pass right there. Un Camry, I think it is. Oh, Chris, you're trying to get ese Camry está. Que es la que hay atrás. Look, this guy do it. It's fucking streets, bro. El Camry, no. Look, this nigga out there. Yo, I just hate those shits, bro. Yo hace rato hubiera pasado a ellos, but yo, cause I just be, you know, careful sometimes, cause look, those niggas is wailing. Ah, le voy a caer atrás, fuck it. Oh, that nigga's jumping. Oh, he took this shit. He went the local way.
I think he's gonna say this like a home.
Oh, is he? No, we can go to my house this way though.
Huh?
We can go this way to my house. That's actually faster too. Oh, okay, un bump. I hate this bump. But yeah, he slowed down. He knows it. I hate this shit right here.
Bueno, como yo no paso por aquí mucho.
Yeah.
I don't mind.
I'm always pasando por este lado.
Your street arts.
Nigga, bro, esto te desbarata el carro, but yo porque I maintain this shit, I keep this shit, you know.
I tell you, man, what takes the Jose home.
Alright. Yo? Yo?
¿Ya following us?
Nah, I mean, I was, but then, ¿cómo que tú te llamas, bro?
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel told me that, yeah, I even know his name, that you're taking Jose home, so, but I can take this home though, too.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna just take this exit though. I don't know which way. I take exit 3.
You see how the Subaru's ass?
Yeah, nigga, yo por el lado mío, man. No, I just be scared, low key, nigga. But
Well, I was on that way. That way. Yeah, that was great.
yeah, no, nigga. I told Manuel, I'm like, yo, checa como Chris le cae atrás. Hey, tú le caíste.
I could have passed them, but there was too many curves.
Yeah, nigga, that's why yo no le caí atrás a ustedes like that, cause I know, bro. I would have been past that bump, bro. Yo, you know, I was chilling.
See me in May, bro. See me in May, bro.
Yeah, I was talking about the Camry though. I was talking about the Camry, you
What
feel me?
happened?
Nah, I was talking about the Camry.
I think it was a Subaru.
Oh, it was a Subaru? That white shit? The blue shit?
Yeah.
That shit look
Yeah.
That shit look like a Toyota Camry, right? On God, nigga.
Not going that fast there. Hell no. That nigga was out.
But yeah, he was out though. He was out. But
It was a Subaru.
Unless it's the new Camry, they got 400 horsepower, but nah, that gotta be Subaru, bro.
oh, where? I'm not gonna lie. That shit look like a Toyota, my nigga.
Oh shit, vamos a pasar por los buildings por aquí.
Por-
PT.
¿Qué sé yo? Vamos pasado.
Esos son los billetes de 220.
Oh yeah. Cause now we on the ¿cómo se llama the highway? Forgot the Washington shit. The Deegan. That's I mean. How's the Deegan? Yeah. Ay, nigga, pues está todo entonces. Ah, bet. Mira este, el Toyotica este. Es que son locos, Mira, es un Toyota aquí, todo acabado, going crazy. Nigga, you should see this Toyota. Like, what kind of atrás, bro? Just so I can put it in the video so you can see.
For the GoPro footage.
Un Toyota aquí, loco, de 2000, del 1900, qué sé yo qué, loco, going crazy. I swear to God, bro.
Those niggas don't see, yo.
Stop chasing niggas, nigga. I chase every single thing.
Nigga, tú, a ti te pasa un moquito, I'm going faster than you, tú le caes atrás. He out though, I ain't, yo, that nigga, yo, this nigga going over 100, my nigga, en ese Toyota viejo. He out, I could catch him, but like, I don't know if I want to. Type shit. Le voy a pasar nada más por pasarle. The cops be at the exits, my nigga, en la entrada. Y se paran ahí, loca, like that. Te agarran, te cagan atrás de una vez. Y más para acá esta hora, cause they know niggas be doing the races and shit late at night. ¿Y qué? ¿Tú todavía estás ahí, loco? ¿Y qué? Yo, subscribe, bruh. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do what y'all do, man. Peace and love.